Chocolate Cantucci are crunchy Tuscan cookies enriched with pieces of dark chocolate, perfect for dipping in hot drinks or Vinsanto. To make these delicious cookies, you will need 250 grams of 00 flour, 200 grams of sugar, 2 whole eggs plus 1 yolk for brushing, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. You will also need 100 grams of chopped dark chocolate, 50 grams of melted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract or the grated zest of 1 lemon. These last 2 ingredients are optional. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Mix the flour with the sugar, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. Then incorporate the eggs, add the melted butter, and, if desired, the vanilla extract or grated lemon zest. After obtaining a homogeneous mixture, add the chopped dark chocolate. Then transfer the mixture onto a pastry board and form 1 or 2 long logs about 3 or 4 centimeters in width. Brush the logs with beaten egg yolk and bake them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are golden and firm to the touch. Once baked, cut the still hot logs into diagonal slices about 1.5 centimeters thick. Arrange the slices on a baking tray with parchment paper and put them back in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes to toast and become crunchy. While you wait for your Cantucci to cool, remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any recipes and to stay up to date. Also, visit our website for more tips and sweet ideas. Did you know that Cantucci originated in the medieval era as a travel sweet? The chocolate variation of this traditional Tuscan delicacy makes it even more irresistible, perfect for pairing with a Vinsanto or an aromatic pasito. With these tips, your chocolate Cantucci will be ready to delight the palate and enhance moments of sharing. Bon appétit, and see you at the next recipe.